The Honda CB series has always been synonymous with reliability, timeless design, and everyday practicality. And now, the 2025 Honda CB400 has made its official return, sleeker, smarter, and stronger than ever before. With an iconic past stretching back to the 1970s, the CB400 is no stranger to motorcycle enthusiasts around the world. But the 2025 model isn't just a nostalgia play. Honda has re-engineered this machine to thrive in the modern era, all while retaining the soul that made it a fan favorite. Design, retro styling meets modern detail. At first glance, the 2025 CB400 looks like it just rolled out of a custom bike show. The classic round headlight, teardrop-shaped fuel tank, and sculpted side panels give it that unmistakable vintage charm. But look a little closer, and the modern touches become obvious. Full LED lighting all around, a sleek LCD TFT hybrid dash, and crisp, refined lines elevate the bike's presence. The paint options are also stunning. Deep metallic reds, jet blacks, and even a pearl white that subtly reflects light for added flair. Honda has clearly struck a balance here, old-school aesthetics paired with a modern-day finish that feels both premium and performance-ready. Engine and performance, a refined 400 cubic centimeters powerhouse. Under the tank, the 2025 CB400 features a refined 399 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled, inline-4 engine. While smaller displacement bikes often focus purely on economy, this engine delivers genuine excitement. With around 45 horsepower and 38 Nm of torque, it's more than capable of carving through city streets or cruising comfortably on the highway. Honda has updated the internals for smoother power delivery, improved throttle response, and better fuel efficiency. The engine revs cleanly and quickly, rewarding riders with that distinct high-revving four-cylinder growl that's become increasingly rare in this segment. Matched with a slick 6-speed gearbox and a slipper clutch, the CB400 offers a surprisingly spirited ride that will appeal to both new and experienced riders alike. Technology, simple, but smart. While the CB400 doesn't overload itself with high-end electronics, it does bring in just the right amount of tech to enhance the ride. You'll find a modern TFT LCD combo instrument panel that displays everything from gear position to fuel economy and maintenance alerts. ABS comes standard, as does traction control, a welcome addition for unpredictable road conditions. There's even a built-in USB-C charging port, perfect for keeping your phone or GPS powered on long rides. Honda's goal with this bike was clear: keep it analog at heart, but digital where it counts. Handling and ride quality, light, nimble, and confident. One of the standout traits of the 2025 CB400 is how easy it is to ride. The bike feels incredibly balanced thanks to its lightweight steel double cradle frame, and its curb weight of just around 190 kilograms makes it accessible for riders of all skill levels. The suspension setup features a 41 mm telescopic fork up front and dual rear shocks, offering a plush but controlled ride. Cornering feels predictable, and city maneuverability is excellent. Whether you're filtering through traffic or enjoying a weekend canyon ride, the CB400 feels at home in any environment. The riding posture also deserves praise, upright and relaxed with slightly rear-set pegs that give just enough sportiness without compromising comfort. Fuel efficiency and everyday use, built for the real world. In an age where motorcycles are often overpowered and underutilized, the CB400 stands out as a truly practical daily rider. With a claimed fuel economy of around 30 km per liter, it's not only fun but also cost-effective. The 17-liter fuel tank ensures long distances between fill-ups, while the low seat height and nimble handling make it a stress-free commuter. Maintenance is also easy and affordable, with Honda's legendary reliability meaning fewer visits to the workshop and more time on the road. It's the kind of bike you'll actually want to ride every day, and won't mind doing so. Price and market positioning, where does it stand? Honda has priced the CB400 strategically, slightly above entry-level bikes like the CB300R but well below middleweight naked sport bikes. It competes directly with models like the Yamaha XSR 400 and the Royal Enfield Continental GT450, offering a perfect middle ground for those who want classic charm without compromising on modern engineering. The CB400 isn't the cheapest bike on the market, but you're paying for quality, heritage, and a truly refined riding experience. For many, it will hit the sweet spot between performance and practicality. Conclusion: a future classic in the making. The 2025 Honda CB400 isn't trying to be the fastest or flashiest bike out there. Instead, it brings heart and heritage into a modern package that's both thrilling and approachable. It's a bike that speaks to riders who value craftsmanship, reliability, and a visceral riding experience. Whether you're a returning rider, a daily commuter, or someone who simply appreciates a well-balanced machine, the new CB400 is an easy choice. In many ways, it's not just a motorcycle.